Here is the surprise. Closing an old credit card does not always make your credit look cleaner. Sometimes it is like throwing away a good umbrella because it is not raining today. That card may be quietly helping you. Credit is not just a score. It is a risk profile, which means your report tells a story about how safe or risky you look to lenders. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Discover why closing old accounts can hurt your score. Learn how to maintain a healthy credit utilization. Find out the benefits of keeping no-fee cards open. Explore when it's smart to close an account. And get tips on timing your closures for best results. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Available credit, the amount of credit you could use but have not used. Average age of accounts, the average age of the accounts on your credit report. Annual fee, a yearly cost. Some credit cards charge just for having the card. Risk profile, the full credit story companies use to guess how risky it may be to approve. Now, let's jump in. Think of your credit limits, like the size of your grocery budget. If you have a $1,000 limit and you owe $300, you are using 30%. That is called utilization, which means how much of your available credit you are using. If you close another card with a $1,000 limit, your total breathing room shrinks. Same debt, higher pressure. An old account is like a long friendship. Even if you do not talk every day, people trust the friendship because it has lasted. Credit reports work a little like that. Older accounts can help show stability. Average age of accounts means the average age of your credit history. Closing an old account can weaken that age story now or later, depending on the scoring model. Lenders are not just asking, "What is your score?" They are asking, "What story does this person tell? Do they keep accounts open? Do they use too much of their limit? Do they have a long record of handling credit?" Closing a card can change that story. It can make your report look more crowded, younger, or less stable than it did yesterday. If a card has no annual fee, the smart move is often simple. Keep it open, use it lightly, and pay it off. Put one tiny recurring charge on it, like a music app or phone storage plan. Then set autopay if you trust your bank setup. It is like watering a small plant once a month, so the account stays alive. Now, there are real times when closing may be the better choice. If the card has a fee that is not worth the benefits, think carefully. If the card tempts you to overspend, your peace matters. A credit score is important, but a safe budget is the foundation. The goal is not to impress the credit system while your real life gets harder. Here is the timing rule. Do not make major credit changes right before applying for a mortgage, car loan, apartment, or important credit card. That is like changing your recipe while the cake is already in the oven. Even a smart move can create short-term score movement. If a lender is about to look, keep the picture steady. Before closing a card, ask 3 questions. Does it have a fee? Does it tempt me to spend? Is a big application coming soon? If the card is old, has no fee, and you can control spending, keeping it open usually helps your credit story. 850 AI can help you look at the full picture before you cut the card.